I can't open a podcast like that. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, welcome to Let's Unpack. Yay. Yabona indaba list Eastern Cape, the list of the PR candidates, the electoral list that is to be submitted to IEC tomorrow, Friday, the 28th at 5 o'clock. Deadline. Yago IEC. Eastern Cape, as we sit, it is in big SHIT because akovanwa apha ngaphakathi lanibana kuyaliwa. Look what happened. Manqale ndikubuyisele. Let me recap on what has been happening in the politics or in the space of the politics as Eastern Cape. One, the PEC was disbanded. No. Let me rather say the term had expired. There was a legitimate task team, provincial task team, that it was dissolved, and the original PEC, whose term had expired, has recently been reinstated into office. Now, the conversation for the day is the Eastern Cape provincial list that is to be submitted to IEC, which is not ready Eastern Cape because Balu Aboto, they're fighting by themselves, and Kubipa. The list of the Eastern Cape electoral candidates is not ready. Let me take you a bit back. Now, njengobana sisesandini nje Saturday, where they were to announce the mayoral candidate, which they did not. They gave us something else which we did not expect. In the yokubana kuthiwe all those that interviewed are mayoral candidates will decide later. They could not come to a decision. ANC yathi ayisayibona phaa emaxesheni into biza bangibani umayor wenu. So far, we cannot decide who is to be the mayor of these metros, cities and municipalities in general. At the moment, we do not have mayors. No. Ladies and gentlemen, that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the list that is to be submitted to IEC apha Eastern Cape. Imadoda kubi. Senduba kubi apha Eastern Cape because kuyakruthana kuyaliwa. Into bayenzileyo Saturday. Njengoba thina sisesandini simamele le nto yezi mayors. Bona there's a mini provincial PLC. What is a PLC? But there is a mini conference of the provincial list candidates. You may please correct me. But there is a list conference ezo adopta le ridibena le list yabantu abazawukhokhela okanye abazawubekwa ezipalini of the ANC in the Eastern Cape. That list conference was factional land ithi ufikile ukhumbayi wa-adopta le list kodwa khange bayixoxe. Bayifosta ke into kubana naba mabafakwe bayi-approva ngokwabo. The what do you call them? Those ones that are deployed by the NEC, the deployees of the NEC in the Eastern Cape. Ukhumbayi nobuhle nabani kubani omnye kanene or deployed up Eastern Cape. They approved that list. They endorsed that list. Now, the real dynamics are Ingcuka, the provincial secretary, whose office is the only office that will sign on the dotted line approving who is to be on that list. Akhondo, Ingcuka Ithubi, the provincial secretary of the Eastern Cape, is the real boss politically in the ANC. Ngoba i-office yakhe nguye yedwa qha ozawuvuma la magama on that provincial list yase Eastern Cape. Now, what they did Saturday, bavumelene bodwa uba uNgcuka bekhona, I'm sure besonge izandla ebabukela, because they didn't discuss it with him, and ile list bayikokoteleyo ingafunwa ngabantu base Eastern Cape lena bayi-endosayo Kumbayi, the NEC deployee of the ANC, Nomabuke, etc., etc. Now, they did get low. I don't want to say it, and there's that chaos of them agreeing. Ukubona abantu xa bebhanxana bavumelane ngento engekhoyo, ayike bavumelana, I'm sure becula bevuya ubana baluwinile udabi ngobana bavumelane bodwa beqhathana. Ingcuka, was it Monday xa ibhala ileta wathi Jongani, ndiyayibona le nto niyenzayo, kodwa ke ndithi mna njengo-provincial secretary, buyelani ebantwini, fakani. I think uNcuka uthi kulaa leta, fakani amagama la arayithi afunwa ngabantu bokuhlala base-Eastern Cape. I think I should find the letter and read it. My WhatsApp is not connected to this computer. Let us try and look on social media. Social media we-ANC in the Eastern Cape ke ufactional. Ezi zinto bangafuna uziva zezi bangazifakiyo, because I don't remember the letter of the provincial secretary being posted here where he is instructing them to do right by the people. The provincial secretary of the Eastern Cape said, Yenanzik, ucho kwigenge ke uthi do right by the people. Fakani amagama la afunwa ngabantu. Ndiyanicebisa utsho. Now, baqonda bamblutika, they always blutik him. Bahamba baya phaa phezulu. No, I'm not seeing this letter. A day ago, I'm going to Monday. I want to find this letter so that sibe senansikeni sithethe into enye. Let me look at that. What is this? Oh, it's the NCs to hold a special what? We don't care for that. Kumahlengile bebhala apha, no. Bamane bebiza ezi meeting, I'm sure bayamcenga kwezinto ze-NEC ke. 3 days ago should be Tuesday, Thursday. It should be Monday. No, there's no letter that is coming from Ngayitobi apha epostiweyo kule nto ka-social media ka-ANC yase-Eastern Cape. Uzoqonda ubana kufakwa into yala faction. Excuse me. But what? Okay, I'm looking for this letter. I'm not finding it. That is all that was posted on Monday. Now that is Sunday. Nope, we're not going to find anything here. Now, uNcuka uthi kule letter, Jongani, le nto niyenzayo approva ilist yobuqhophololo ni-endorse niyenzele i-conference irongo. Not with as court cases zingaka ziwinwayo ngurhotya. I'm not going to approve that. Yenzani le nto right, nifake abantu aba bafunwa ngabantu base-Eastern Cape bamblutika. Now, namhlanje ku-Thursday, it's a matter of hours. I-deadline is in less than 28 hours, where the Eastern Cape needs to submit their final candidates. And they're not going to be able to submit their final candidates without the signature of the provincial secretary, uNcuka Itobi. And as no one is on the Eastern Cape is due to submit the the electoral list of the province yase Eastern Cape. And uNcuka Itobi ubetha ngenqindi phansi uthi, I'm not going to sign this because this is not the correct list. Le list ifake abantu benu ngobuqhophololo, ayingabo ababantu bafunwa ngabantu pha kwi-branches nasekuhlaleni. Now, i-constitution ye-ANC gives powers to the provincial secretary. It's not uMabuyane who can sign that list. I thought I'm hearing a knock. I was going to be so surprised. And no, it's the wind outside. I apologize. Now, the letter or the list that is to go to IEC can only be signed by Lula Manqoethobi, the provincial secretary, who's not appointed by court, who's appointed by the people of the Eastern Cape to be the provincial secretary, who is legally the provincial secretary. Njengoba bebonke nje phayana ngokusemsikweni, ngokusemthethweni bafanele bana baphayana, and amandla anikwa uNgqoyithobi by the constitution of the ANC. Now, xa bengovani ke ngoku ngalamanani, look, the timing here was to masimplutike, simfrustrate, sizamthumela ngo-Uncle Gwede athethe nayo, umzekelo, like those powerful ANC people, but Ngcuka is not folding. He's saying, I'm not going to sign this. And it's only 28 hours before the IEC deadline of the Eastern Cape. What is going to happen in the Eastern Cape? Are they going to end up removing aba babefake ngobuqhophololo kula list, bafake aba ba-right, bafunwa ngabahlali, okanye i-ANC altogether is not going to submit anything? What do you think is going to happen? Because it looks like they Omabu are not going to have their way. Remember, uNgqoyithobi ngumbhaca, ngumntoni kwaseBhizana, Limpondo. So ke amampondo wenziwa njalo anenkani. He's not going to agree, especially with i-verdict ezingaka zisuke court favoring lento yoNcuka le yokubana makwenziwe lento right by the people and by the ANC. Now, Ulwazi just put a letter now ethi benteni kuni. Senjwa benteni kuni ngalento idibene list. Jongani ngokunenza intando yenu, and i-court here yathi, you can read the letter for yourself, ndonqane uyoyikhangela. Or let me read it for you, because we are here on the podcast. I should calm down, you know, ndive ndibe nerves kaloku ndandiqhela ukwenza uTikTok, the smallanyana videos. Ndive ndibe nerves xa ndilapha ndikhawuleze ndifune ugqiba. Kanti i-podcast is about engaging, uncokole nabantu. Do you understand? Let me find this letter. I've noted a few parts of the letter. Uthi, we bring to your attention the matter of Miss Vuyokazi Mwanza versus the African National Congress, and the others, Ezolwazi Rhotyake, that have been decided by the Eastern Cape Division of the High Court, held in Mthatha on 26 August. Oh, there's another one. With facts that are identical with the clients that we represent, including Ulwazi Rhotya. Uthi zininzi cases abaziwinayo against you yobana yekana ubuqhophololo ezifana nezikaLwazi Rhotya. So it's not just Ulwazi who is in eGubusana, who is in East London. The Joel Qabis, the Alfred Nzo's, the What's, the other regions are also putting cases against the ANC into okubana yekana ubuqhophololo, and they are winning those cases. But now these attorneys are saying to the ANC, Jongani, as you can see from that court order, your client has been found wanting because it repeatedly breaches its own constitution, rules and guidelines. Now, this process of wanton violation, I don't know what that means, of rules arises as our clients have been warned before by Mr. Fikile Mbalula and his henchmen, including Mr. Oscar Mabuyane, manipulate branch nomination processes to engineer their favored outcomes at the expense of the ANC Constitution and its members' rights. Now, point number 6, what our clients are demanding, or rather, our clients' demands are simple, that your client comply with the guidelines. What will not be tolerated is a disregard for these guidelines. Therefore, since it is a common cause that the entire process of candidate selection in the Eastern Cape is riddled with irregularities, our client will not hesitate to challenge any unlawful submission of lists to the IEC when the process was engineered to favor unqualified and unqualifying candidates. Ithatha kusezawuliwa ku-ANC. Senjengoba kusezawuliwa ku-ANC, kusezawuliwa. And uNcuka uthi akazoyisayina na letter. Mhlambi bazayifaka ngetshova adile nabo again ngecourt. Number 7, please let us have your reply ngokukhawuleza ukudibana noNxama. Failing which, this letter must be regarded as formal notice of our client's intention to institute other, again, ezinye legal proceedings against your client to challenge the manipulated, fraudulent lists that you okanye your client clearly intends to submit under the guise of being an ANC list for the Eastern Cape. Benteke kuni, the gloves are off. Kuyaliwa ku-Eastern Cape. Are they going to submit that fraudulent list but delay a court later, which they will lose? They've been losing a court. Ngenxa ye-pride the individuals. Are they going to submit that list? Excuse me, I've not been feeling great. I'm still not 100% in their forced because I have to deliver news to you as they breaking. Niyanibona musba. I am not myself. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is what is happening in the ANC in the Eastern Cape. And uNcuka Gqobi is not going to sign that list. And whoever approves that, it's not Balula, it's not Mabu, it's not Uncle Kwizi that can sign that list. The only person who can sign that list is Lulama Ncuka Gqobi. Failing which, Masitu Yakulu Ncuka Gqobi, he needs to give an instruction to his deputy and abazumtacha uNcuka. And kwalo deputy wakhe is not going to act on behalf of uNcuka. uNcuka ebetshilo wathi Monday Lungsandland. Those are the dynamics of the Eastern Cape politics. ANC going to the local government elections. Yemadot. Senjuba bazawuthini oko ndandisithi ke ndingamanyelwa ndisithi susani ipride zenu emacaleni cingelani umbutho kuyiwa ngoku uyiwe eluvotweni ngoku kuyovotwa ngoku and akho mntu usubmitiweyo from the ANC e-Eastern Cape ngenxa yobana abovani bodwa ngenxa yobuqhophololo bobusela nobututu. Sizawuthini ke aba basubmitha baxhasa lento ilwisayo ixabanisayo niyababona ngokubana they are at risk of losing kwayeso songa sabo because kubani uzawuvotela i-ANC kungekho candidate, kubani uzawuvotela i-ANC exabanayo kungekho candidate, bazawuthi bavotela bani? I-deadline yona ye-IEC is not going to change because i-ANC ixabana yodwa. Senjuba kube mani kulanto kube nyani kulanto and ke ngoku my job is only to report on what is happening and celebrate again the process because we are at the losing end of all these things that are happening because it cost thina le-ANC izinto azenzeki kuthi kulamba thina akuqeshwa thina. The corruption is affecting us and all these fights ekugqibeleni zizawukhosta thina okanye are they going to maybe zisikhulule kula makhamandela sikuyo? I don't know. But that is what is happening in the provincial politics of the ANC in the Eastern Cape ephondweni. Igama lami ndingubutlu ndingunolali where kunqayi until next time. This is episode number 11. Thank you to 12,112 of you who have subscribed to the channel. Thank you for sharing the link, commenting, and simply not clicking skip xa udlala umgaranto because iyanibhatala laa nto ekugqibeleni. Shap, bye.